So, good morning, guys. We are again come with our question, that is our lead code question number 1979. Okay, so the question is that you have to find the GCD. This GCD means SCF of an array, and what is the GCD for? How to find a GCD and what is the GCD they want here? They want that you have to find the GCD of minimum value and the maximum value of the array. Or they want, I will again repeat, they want that you have to find the GCD of the minimum value of the array and the maximum value of array. For example, this is our question. Input nums 2, 5, 6, 9, 10. Output is 2. Now, how this output will come? Okay. So you find the minimum value in this array is 2 and the maximum value in this array is 10. Now, output is 10. What will be the procedure? How you can think about it now? That's a crazy question. First is a lengthy way. How you can think that if it is first of all, method 1, we are writing it out. If 10 divided by 2 equals to modulus equals to 0, it means रिटर्न कर दीजिए वो किसको, जो कि GCD जो कि आपका कहो मिनिमम वैल्यू 2. That's fine. So this is a way on, but now the problem start from this example, and the example is 8 and 32. How you will give the output? That is a big question for you. So there's a one thing that you have to rewind and you have to remember in your mind, that how to find a GCD. This is a Euclidean tricky way to find the tricky way. So now your learning start from this thing, that how to do the SCF without doing lengthy thing. Because what you have to do, you will do the for loop to 10 and for loop to 2, if both are divided by this, then you will get the maximum value, and you have to reverse then how you will approach. For example, you have to find this value. I will tell you how to you approach, but this is not optimized solution, that's why I'm not writing here. Okay, so how you will do? For example, this is your for loop. So for loop will start from the end 32 से लेके आपका जो भी है greater than equals to 1 0 नहीं greater than 0 and I minus if both conditions are divided, means if it is divided by the 8, if I divided by the 8, I modulus 8 equals to 0, and I modulus 32 equals to 0, then return I. That is the answer for this. Okay, so what will your answer? For example, it's 8 है, so 32 33 start हुआ. If you can either start from the 8. If you start from the 8, so 8 is divided by modulus 0, but not equals to, condition is false, 7 is false, 6 was false. Now I equals to 4. Now the condition will tell that if I equals to 4, so sorry, there's a fault. 22 divided by I उल्टा करना है, 8 divided by I. Okay, so 4 divided by 8 equals to 0, yes, and 32 modulus 4 equals to 0, yes. It means the 4 is the answer, but it is not a time efficient. Now what should you do? This is a tricky way that you have to learn, you have to remind, whatever you want to do, what you have to keep in your mind. This is only our tricky way. Okay, let's take a scenario. 832. What you are doing? Let's see step 1. We are just divided by 32 modulus 8. What is the value of it? Tell me. Sorry, let's take the example 32 6. Okay, so there's a 8 is there, so 8 is answer for this question. Okay, I will do the example of 36. So 36 modulus 8. What is the answer? Remainder is 4. Now again, what you will do, just take 8 divided by 4 equals to 0. Yes, it means 4 is the answer. This is a way. Now you can take any example. For example, 9, 24. Okay. So use this, simply divide by 24 modulus 9. What will the answer? 6. And 9 modulus 6. What is the answer? Sorry. 3. Now you again 6 divided by 3. Yes, it is equals to 0. Now what is the answer? 3 is the answer. And this is a way that you have to do the question. Okay, let's write the code for it. Let's go. First of all, the main task is how to find the min value and max value. So there's a one pattern for this, how to find the min value. Just first of all, whenever you want to min, let int min equals to, I will write the code here, int min equals to, you have to take the maximum value, integer dot max value. This is a way of writing of the code. Okay, and this is a syntax in Java. You have to learn it. Whenever you find the value of min, whenever you try to find the value of max, int max equals to integer dot min value. Okay, now just start what? For loop here. For int traverse the array I equals to 0 से लेकर I less than n I plus plus. So what is the min? Min equals to, now this is the way you have to learn it, that how to find the min value from the array and max value of the array. So this is a learning one for yourself. Okay, sorry, learning one is this, learning two is this. Min equals to math dot max, m will be capital, बाकी सब small, m dot max equals to, sorry, m dot min, जो भी min है, and जो भी आपका what is this, sorry, math dot min find करना, you have to find the min, then you have to math dot min equals to min value and the array of I. So in this way you will get the min value, and in the same way you will get the max value. math dot max, जो भी max value आपने यहाँ पे मानी है and जो भी आपके array में आई है. So from this you will get the value of min and max. Now the scenario start from it. Now the scenario start from this point up. So what you have to do? Now you have to take the one function for this, because it will be repeating again and again. So you have to keep the just learn one thing. Whenever you want to do repeated calculation, you can use the recursion for this, and whenever recursion for the same function, but you have to create the one function for it, so that you can easily remind it. So we have just create the function, just send these value return. What do you want to at the end? What do you want to? You want to return GCD किसका? Min and max का. This is the main thing that you want. Now let's go from the function public int GCD int min, int a, that whatever you want to write, you can easily write int in and max. Now the code start from here. Understand now? So you saw that whenever the value is reached to the 0, means while condition कहाँ पे रुकेगी, जब भी आपका min का value 0 हो जाएगा, because in this condition what will happen? 3 modulus 0, that is not possible at all. So condition आपकी कहाँ पे रुकेगी? जब भी आपका min का value 0 हो जाए, where the condition will stop whenever the minimum value will get the 0. So okay, so while min not equals to 0, that our condition, what we are doing, we are just divided by the max, int x का value store कर रहे हैं, इसमें हम what will max modulus min. Okay, this one thing, ठीक है, we get now अगेन whatever we are just replacing the value of max. So max में क्या डाल रहे हैं अपन, max में डाल रहे हैं जो कि min की वैल्यू होती है ओके, एंड min में डाल रहे हैं जो कि आपकी x की वैल्यू है, एंड रिटर्न कर रहे हैं व्हाट, min, सॉरी मैक्स, बिकॉज जो min की वैल्यू की वही तो चाहिए, तो रिटर्न मैक्स कर रहे हैं. तो दिस इज आवर कोड. You may understand what I am telling you. So I just want to conclude of this conclusion. Just try to make the conclusion of this question. Okay. So what is the learning one from this question? The learning one from this question is that it is a trick-based question. You have to learn the trick. You have to keep the mind how to find a GCD, and what is the easy way to find a GCD. Okay. So what is the tricky way that you have to do the multiple time modulus. Okay, this is our learning one. And learning two is that you have to pick the how to find the min value and how to find the max value from the array that I am that easily track. These are the function. These are predefined functions that you can use in Java. Okay. Now third thing is that whenever you want the repeated calculation, you have to make you have to form the function. एंड इसका मतलब क्या हो, रिटर्न जीसीडी मतलब मेरे को इसका वैल्यू चाहिए रिटर्न का, यहाँ से रिटर्न किया वहाँ से रिटर्न किया, ये क्या बोलता है, जाओ भाई जीसीडी फंक्शन को बोल दिया, जाओ इसको तुम मेरे को वैल्यू दो, मुझे जीसीडी फाइन करके दो. इसने बोला क्या रिटर्न, इट सेड दैट इट कॉल द फंक्शन जीसीडी that you have to find the GCD of min and max. Then we created the function that is the GCD. The same thing is that you have to stop at the 0 whenever min value is at 0. Start with the thing while min equals to 0 and x equals to max till then. This is the how to replace the value again and again. This is the way to write it, replacing the value. These are the learning from this our question. So if any doubt, just comment box, write in the comments box, write in the comment box. Okay, and this is our learning 3, where we have to stop. Okay, so thank you for this. Let's meet again tomorrow. Okay.